We'll just be diva.
Yeah. Usually he does this for me. Now I have to do this. Everything looks good on me. Curly girl era seems to be ending.
Reunion at Bangalore.
I need to go back to healthy eating, okay? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. But it's Sunday, that means the hustle is on mute and we shall rest, recover. Still in my pajamas at 2 o'clock, but मैं नहा धो के fresh pajamas में वापस तैयार हुई हूँ because I went for a workout. I woke up late. We went for a movie last night. Reet and I, we went for मैं वापस आऊँगा. It's a beautiful movie. Highly urge every one of you to go and watch it. It's such a beautiful, unfiltered love story. Like अगर आपको वीर ज़ारा YRF मूवीज पसंद है प्लस इम्तियाज अली की स्मार्ट मूवीज जहाँ पे ही गोज डीप इनटू अ डायग्नोसिस पसंद है बट ऑल्सो हैज अ गुड हिस्टोरिकल एंगल बिकॉज देव शोन पूरा पार्टीशन के टाइम का हिस्ट्री यू आर गोइंग टू एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. आई थिंक आई एम अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट एट द डोर टुडे बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग विथ अ गाय इन अ स्कर्ट इफ यू नो हिम फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम. इसलिए मैंने वापस पजामास पहने. आई थिंक ही इज कम. वी जस्ट पुट लंच ओवर हियर. कल रात को हम मूवी गए थे तो हम लेट सोए. हेलो, Who's this diva? खाना खाओगे? खाना लगाओ.
I already had breakfast at the hotel.
अच्छा, बट वो कितने बजे खाया था?
यार मैंने कार्ड्स बहुत कट कर रखे हैं.
क्या कट किया?
कार्ड्स काफी ज्यादा.
हम भी नहीं खाते ये घर में इतने कार्ब्स. डोंट वरी.
I'll have something थोड़ा.
हाँ ठीक है, चलो. What's up?
I can't believe I'm seeing your house in person. I'm just seeing this so much in content. Love it. And it has a good light.
Yeah. All my rooms have good light. He's brought his toy to play with you.
Oh.
Paji, who's come to see you?
मैं treat ही लेकर आया. मेरे को
Take throw. उसको treats नहीं पसंद है वैसे भी.
Really?
Commercial treats is not his thing.
Come here.
Throw.
इधर आओ. अच्छा.
Guys, I have glammed up like so quickly. I did my glam because Shivam came like this to my house, and
God, I had to show up.
we were going to do a breakfast routine together, like a lifestyle video, and then हम करने वाले थे makeup भी, but अब हम इतना late start करें and we're in such a chill mood, like it's Sunday, so we're chatting a lot. So yeah, it's nice to like spend time at home because we never get this. We always meet at events.
No, but also I missed the point that we had to start a video from the bed. Like we will be on the bed.
You forgot that?
Yeah. So I did the full face, and then when I came home, she's like, "You will wake up like that," and I was like, "Why not? I can wake up like that."
So I will also wake up in full glam because then we'll continue like that.
We'll just be diva.
Yes, we
And
are.
we will do what are we doing? You wanna tell them what are we doing?
We're doing a breakfast routine together. So it's like I get up and I get very shocked that he's in my bed. And I'm like, मेरे boyfriend को क्या हो गया? And there
Oh
is
my God, this is like Reet modification at this point of time.
because he's actually also gonna wear Reet's jersey because he
Jersey.
forgot his own night suit because he forgot that we were doing a breakfast routine together.
Sorry.
So his mom has just started a startup. It's called Maa Ka Pyar Pickle brand, and they're doing pickles and chutneys, homemade, fresh. You should check it out. I will leave a link niche in the description. And so we will be making like a co-brand, co-creator sort of like a fun video. So.
I mean, I feel like the coffee with whatever we are making with my like mom's achar thing, it will go really well together. That is why I was so up for it. The moment like you texted, I was like, this is what we should do.
Yeah.
Because that is how it looks like, right? Like a good coffee with good sandwiches and all of
Good
these
breakfast,
things.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is what we are doing today. And I don't cook, honestly. I don't cook. So, sorry,
People know
Sarah,
that.
already. I was just
Neither
so
do I,
sad.
but people know that. Like, I can only make eggs and coffee, and that's what I'm gonna make for you.
So excited. I hope this goes well.
It will, and we have videographer Malcolm De Costa in the house.
Hi guys, my rate is 3,000 an hour.
रुपीज ना रुपीज आई कैन गिव यू. उससे ज्यादा तो खर्चा तेरा वैसे भी हो रहा है, समझा ना? तो रुपीज आई कैन गिव 3,000 an hour. Open this for me, please. I can't open with one hand. One hand is vlogging.
What am I filming on? iPhone. Shot
This-
on iPhone,
Yes.
not sponsored.
Sponsored by Impulse and Maa Ka Pyar.
Yeah, yes, let's go. I would love to also, you know what I would love? my mom and your mom in the video. It will make so much
yeah.
sense.
Oh my god. Yeah,
So
Mama
much sense.
loves shooting with like
Yeah, I'm
different cultural women also. She really wanted to shoot with Reed's mom and like, oh my god, that would be
because I
iconic.
see her cooking all. I would love to meet your mom also because she cooks such good food.
She's gone out for a Punjabi ritual of one of her
And
friends.
she's very natural on the camera.
She took some time though, like it didn't
Like
happen
my
so.
mom only.
Yeah, like I watch your mom's videos and I'm like I
she
can
took time.
relate.
She
Yeah.
was so like my mom used to feel so shy on the camera before, and now she comes up with these crazy ideas. She's like, "अचार के साथ कुछ ऐसा कर देते हैं." And I'm like, "God."
yeah, even my mom. She's like, मैं वेरोनिका जाके burger try करूँगी फिर मैं घर पे बनाऊँगी. I'm like,
Oh my God, yes, good
yeah,
idea.
like she
Love
comes
it.
up with these crazy ideas and
Yeah.
I'm like, go for it. Like you have a team, take
Love
them
it,
and
love
go.
it, love it.
मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है शिवा मैं पकड़ के रुक जा मेरा कैमरा किधर गाइस मैं
very
अभी
heavy.
डेडलिफ्ट और स्क्वाट मार के आई हूँ एकदम हैवी वेट बिकॉज कल मेरा जिम बंद रहा था मंडे और
Oh,
परसों
Monday,
हम जा रहे हैं बैंगलोर फॉर सम वर्क तो मेरा वापस 2 दिन जिम मिस होगा
This is DJ Osmo Pocket. It
Okay.
works out well.
फॉर व्लॉगर्स या
Wait, but I feel like this thing is so irritating, don't you think?
No, even if you're looking in the camera or at yourself, people can't tell. Eye contact बहुत minimal है दोनों के बीच में.
Oh really? Because I've seen like this goes down for some reason sometimes and goes up.
It's a very, very delicate camera. Like
Really?
if you put it in your bag, it will break.
You also lost this once,
I
right?
didn't lose. I broke it once on my own with my mistake. So I had to pay for a replacement. Once खुद से बंद हो गया तो उन लोग ने replace करके दिया. एक और बार खुद से बंद हो गया उन्होंने. At this point, this is my fourth camera. Like दो
Camera is why is camera struggling with you? I wanna know.
No, it's because I'm an aggressive vlogger. मैं हर चीज vlog करती हूँ. That means I take this and go everywhere.
And you just put it in your
Put it in my
bag.
bag. So
Oh.
even though I'm putting it in this case
Case
thingy,
which comes with-
that
I
case is
know.
useless.
Yeah.
It's not protecting the gimbal. तो अभी 4 Osmo Pocket 4 जो है उसमें lock है gimbal पे. I want to see that all you can today. We are going to this all you can exhibition that happens in Geo. And they have a DJI counter. I want to see the Pocket 4 ka lock if it's like just purchasable separately.
Yeah,
For
because
Pocket.
if you vlog, you should do it. My mom and dad wants me to vlog my life, but I feel like I'm so much into short form content. I feel like when I don't get time to do long format then.
Vlogs come very naturally to me, at least to me. Like
To you,
don't-
I get it. Yeah, yeah.
But
I've
it
been doing
takes
from
some
so long.
long. Yeah, I'm doing it from 2021.
Like I remember I was recording this really important day of my life, and I forgot to import the main part only, and I was like, oh my god.
That's like I know I see vloggers. My mom and Reet also try to vlog, and they start it, and then they forget that they're vlogging.
And then I feel like okay, fine, if short form content is working, like just stick to it and just give your best. And because I feel like if you start taking pressure off long form content, you can miss out on short form also.
I do miss, but I am okay. Like abhi this week I posted only 2 reels, so I'm like chalega. I would rather focus
I
all
get
my
it.
energy
Your
on-
YouTube thing, I do get.
Yeah, like and also now my business. So if I be hard on myself कि नहीं मेरे को 5 reel भी डालनी है, 2 YouTube भी डालना है और business भी करना है, that's too ambitious.
I want to do a lot of challenges on YouTube.
Yeah, close to self.
I think if I do long format content, I want to do a lot of challenges, like how James Charles does it.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, but then that's effort. Sitting down for sit down videos मैं बहुत थक
But
जाती हूँ.
I can do that. I'm made for that. Let's go.
Makeup turned out so good. Like I was just chatting with you and
The blush is really nice.
I
What
popped.
is it? Is it YSL or what?
no, it was Givenchy and then Clinique. Aji, are you happy? We have a full house.
She was saying some KYC.
AYC.
AYC.
We are going to AYC. KYC
Mommy has
is
sent us for Sylvia Auntie's mom made it. Curry leaves or something.
now that you'll be like the courier boy. Between Nani and Mummy, you'll be couriering non-stop.
How much does Satyam get? What would be my name?
Yeah.
It's like it's so big. But I like wearing these kind of clothes in gym, honestly.
Yeah, okay. You're wearing my boyfriend's clothes now.
Does it look too big?
Can you give him black? I think he likes black. You want black?
No, but I need to do color. My team keeps complaining to me
Achha,
now.
okay.
It's too
Do you
much of
want
black.
this?
I feel
Okay.
like what I feel is, do we want to cook in this? I want to cook in this.
Oh my god. Okay.
Maybe you
This
just
is
take it
very
off,
nice. I
like-
think I should have a black.
Then just be in that only. Then
So
why?
first shot, my question is, First
नहीं तो
one-
फिर उसी में उठना अभी it's okay.
That because your first dialogue is like that also.
Yeah, because then should I also just be no?
Because I
This
feel
is
like
pajama.
because
Yeah.
when I say what
You
are you
can cook
doing, you could be like, what are you doing in my bed? And like this, and I'm like, I'm cooking for you today, and then that's
Okay.
Don't you have
transition.
pajamas?
For whom? For him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
But
I
he
feel
doesn't
like-
want
I
that.
don't want to do pajamas.
No, but you can wear this inside and then like take that off
For the after.
for like when you come out or something.
Doesn't
Just like
have to come in the frame, right? When you
Even I'm thinking,
just like
listen.
to have that bed like why
Yeah.
it's more like you've been
After,
sleeping
even I'm
there.
gonna change in the after. I don't want to wear this for the whole
But
video.
the first dialogue is so like funny because I am waking up in this,
Yeah.
and that's very gay.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
a little nicer.
Okay.
That
ठीक
would
है.
be funny, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay.
So
Cool.
you get up in night suit.
Okay, as
with
I
full
need.
glam.
Oh my God.
I get up in this.
Okay. Come, Mali. Shoot.
Guys, the BTS is so real.
Fudge is
Even
the
Fudge is concerned.
Yeah.
It's like what is happening? Something
It's
is
like, are we
happening.
sleeping in the afternoon now? Can we sleep off?
No, or what if he's confused? Like, why Reese is not here? Why? Like, is she cheating already? Oh, he just wants to be comfortable.
your femininity and know that. Who's that? Mala Mama. What do you say? Shut up. Say Mala Mama. Do you remember Jaden's childhood looking at Ishan?
Yeah, he looks like Jaden.
No, he doesn't look like Jaden. He looks like.
What's your name?
Jaden had chashma by the time of this age, if you remember.
Ishan.
And last name? Ishan what?
Ishan Nation Swordway.
Ishan Ashwin Shirve.
I want this t-shirt. Give me this t-shirt. My t-shirt. Huh? My t-shirt, right?
My house is a full house.
You want me to get ready?
Yeah, babe, we are going.
I just have to put on a t-shirt and my pants.
So yeah, do it. And shower, post,
Yeah,
bath.
I did my swimming share.
Okay, go get dressed.
He's learning very fast now.
One eternity later.
Here, guys, we have Sarah Saroj from Mumbai born and bred, driving the Hyundai car, and her boyfriend,
Yes.
3-month boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
3-month boyfriend.
Yeah.
She rents him by the month. And Shweta,
Well, hello. I bet you're missing US, aren't you? Yeah.
yes,
You have to say Shweta Di. She's not
Shweta
your
Di.
age. Yeah. Have some tummy.
She has a child.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes. A
And
6-year-old.
we are going somewhere. You'll find out very soon.
We have Shweta the year and we have come to All You Can. You put Reet and I in a place and we are going to spend money. Reet has already bought stuff. I've already bought stuff from here. Beauty and he's bought athleisure. You know this brand is also very good for women's athleisure, I think. But they are not made. Yeah. Two lip oils. Yeah, lip gloss is what she suggested, right? Oh, that's a really nice color, Dee. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll take this combo. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Her watch history
Oh my
is
God,
Sarah
I just
Saroj.
watch
Like-
all your videos. I sit and watch and everything. I love you. I love your content.
Aw.
I love you and Reed together. And I genuinely want ki fudge ठीक हो जाए.
हाँ फर्स्ट ठीक हो गया डोंट वरी या फर्स्ट ठीक हो गया सब ठीक हो गया
And I saw वहाँ से. I was like, oh, is she Sarah? And I'm here like an intern. So I was like, छोड़ो, मैं जाके मिल के आती हूँ. I love.
The standard of males I have in my life is too high. You look like Willy Wonka in this now. Try something new.
I ain't getting no sleep, no sleep.
Guys, you know this deodorant brand that I love? She's the founder. Oh my god, yes, my boyfriend's gonna be very happy. She's the beautiful founder of the brand. And Reet and Mally got the ice cream. They loved this ice cream. They did in collaboration together.
Where will we keep it?
Yeah, this is right at the entrance.
We'll ask for the restaurant's freezer.
I'll sit in the car and
Shut up, you need this up.
One of the best. Looking forward to what you guys are doing.
Yeah, you're killing it. Your product is amazing.
Later that same evening.
It's beautiful. So cute. Look. This one is sterling silver.
Reet got jewelry. Like he always wanted this dainty silver stuff.
This
like,
is really nice.
yeah, the
It
pen.
was similar to, not mine, but it's like similar vibes. Like
But Reet has
show me
got-
your necklace.
yeah, this one. See?
This is what Reet got from this brand called Mizo. Is what he
The name
wanted
is so
all.
cute.
Actually saw this and
I saw this on online, but I always thought the chains are little too bulky. But this is perfect.
No, it's perfect.
It's
Literally,
perfect.
we were talking about it.
Yeah,
You were
yeah,
saying you
yeah.
want
This is
Yeah.
exactly like the one that he's
And the
he's wearing.
adjustable chain as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Yeah. So I used to always like look for Reet. He really likes to wear like basic stuff, like very minimalistic stuff, but never got. And जैसे मुझे ये store दिखा, like where's the brands? This store I saw, and Reet and Mally had gone to have a drink at Drink. So yeah, like I literally sent him a picture and I was like, come here, this is what you
This
need.
is even better. Like when you wear it with a vest on a deep neck.
This
Yeah,
is what they gave.
Diet Coke.
yeah. Mali
Free.
styling. me.
No, now you can get a Diet Coke sponsorship.
We already have Diet Coke.
yeah, we actually got
Look.
one.
That's so bad. Oh my god. And this brand, you guys, this brand's genuinely so good. These sunglasses, firstly, the case and all looks so good. There's a founder's note.
At first, I thought it was like speakers. The name sounds like speakers.
Because
No, no,
Marshall's
but-
is a
but-
la.
The minute I saw the
No,
even
this
the
is a-
packaging is so good.
It's like Gentle Monster.
this is-
It's
yeah,
literally
yeah,
like
yeah,
Gentle.
yeah.
What Reet has got is literally what I got from Gentle Monster. उसी का dupe है. ये Reet ने लिया है.
Indian brands.
Yeah, these are all in. That's the point of an exhibition in India, no?
Yeah.
We are supporting Indian brands. We've shopped so
What
much.
is this?
This is like
Oh,
the
lens
warranty
spray.
manual.
No lens. Hey,
Oh,
cute, no?
yeah. Oh, wow. Open Reed's pair. Guys, it's raining so much. Driving in these rains was so hard. Yeah, and it's like lightning, thundering, raining.
There's so many buildings you can normally see. Now you can't see anything. Did you hear that? Somebody screamed.
That's thundering.
Giving Harry Potter vibes.
This doesn't look good on you at all. I have this similar pair from Gentle Monster, and this was their 6th anniversary, so they've custom made this 6-star thing. This is the
It's
anniversary.
like studs. Oh, it looks good on you.
Yeah, I have the same pair from Gentle Monster, and that's what I'm saying. And when I say Gentle Monster, like the quality of the plastic and the lens color, literally like I'm gonna get my Gentle Monster. Janu
Struggles.
is like,
Wait, no, little bit more.
you're giving me ulta.
You wanna just lengthen it?
Yeah, just
1 second,
go-
let me get a grip on this. Usually he does this for me, now I have to do this.
Look how the tables.
Good, finally you got something you like.
This
He
is-
gets
this is
all this
amazing.
and then he loses it, guys.
This
Bali
is
mein also
amazing.
he got that shell necklace which he loved so much and he
I
left.
didn't lose it. It got tangled. I still have it.
Let me
should
show
I
you.
show it
No,
to you?
no,
I still
no.
have it.
Where is it? In the
It is
style
back.
of Jabba.
Oh my god. It's okay, I don't need
After
proof.
living on the screen, I can't take it.
Oh my god.
Guys, in this bag lies proof. Let's see.
I'm
Okay.
just gonna
Open the next pair.
Next pair is my pair. Oh, I think Mally's. This one's
Ooh.
Mally's.
Let's see.
Malcolm got
See.
these. So Hrithik
Oh,
Roshan.
guys,
See this.
look. He's his. Okay, proof.
See.
He did not lie. It's all tangled up in his bag. He did not lose it.
I did not lose.
So basically, he doesn't maintain anything and doesn't deserve nice
Oh
things.
my god.
This is what Malcolm DeCosta got for
Try it.
himself.
Oh, it looks good on you. Super sporty.
Everything looks good on me. I have a very sunglass shaped face.
Hmm.
A face for sunglasses. I could be a good sunglass model. See? This is very Hrithik Roshan coded. It
That's
looks-
so cute. Like super Bollywood vibes. Yeah, I like that.
okay. And then
Okay.
for actually what I got for myself,
Read try a pair as well.
Where's
exactly
what
what I
I? This is
wanted.
what I got for myself. I love it because I don't have.
This is
Super
the metallic
90s.
version of your Miu Miu.
Yeah, this is the silver version of my Miu Miu.
You got the oval Miu Mius.
Yeah, the oval Miu Mius.
So cute.
This is literally like my golden.
This is more 90s.
Yeah.
Like
so
super
now if I do silver accessories, I have silver sunnies. Yeah.
Let's see together. Ooh. Sam and Marshall ad right here.
Yeah, we
That's,
didn't even
this is Sam and this is Marshall.
Yeah.
we didn't even know this brand existed till today.
But this is great.
This
though.
is
The
great quality. Like look at that quality. This is like Ray-Ban quality for like 2,700. Wow.
It's so cheap.
Yeah,
You
it's
should
so
The
good.
price is right. This is how they look on me. So cute.
Yeah, these are really good shades.
Very
The
nice.
purchase of
This is like a good beach pair because you won't feel bad if there's a scratch.
And they're polarized too. They had a test
yeah.
thing. Yeah. Literally the same thing you got, John. See? Same thing. See?
Yeah.
Gentle
The
Monster,
lenses.
Sam and Marshall.
How much was the Gentle Monster?
10,000.
Mm.
10 or 12.
Show me.
It's the same like Ray-Ban only, no? Ray-Ban
Is
is
it?
also the same, yeah.
1,000 dirhams.
Dubai, everything is expensive.
These
This
are
I-
so cute actually.
I got
I've
it
never
f-
tried Gentle Monster.
I got it from Korea. You are very Gentle Monster coded. You're the target audience.
Why?
They have they have sunnies the kind you like.
Yeah.
Like very Y2K
But
coded.
it's so hyped that I never got into it. Because
I,
when
in
things
fact-
are super hyped, I'm just like, I don't
No,
know.
it's very good.
Yeah,
And I in Korea I got it for like 10,
Did you
12,000.
see now they sent like all these influencers huge boxes and they have bag charms with like vegetables and each of them has like one glass in them. Try.
Oh.
Have you tried these?
No, but these are...
Reet ko nahi suit hoga,
My-
very
My
feminine.
face is
You need
rectangular.
rounder.
But the one you got is
It's a
suiting him,
rectangular
no?
face, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, try that, John. This one suits you.
That's how it looks on my face.
Very
I
nice.
look like an uncle.
What you look like Ritik Roshan on in that.
I look like an uncle.
Wear it.
That
Yeah.
you are an uncle. See.
He looks exactly like that song.
Oh, this necklace looks good.
Yeah, this
Good
is
decision.
very
It's so
good.
soft, like
This
oxidized
is
vibes.
this is the best purchase of the whole
Of the evening,
this, yeah.
The perfume I got and tried this. So yeah, I love Indian brands that are doing such a good job with like packaging and look at all that. So good. Like I get so excited to support Indian brands and see all
Sweet
this.
cigarettes. Okay.
Yeah, sweet cigarettes is what it's called. They had like a really nice variety of inspired by Indian perfumes. Packaging's really nice. That's what attracted me. I actually got an Instagram ad for this once. I didn't get intrigued by
It's
it.
hard to know on Instagram, like perfumes and
Yeah,
stuff.
of course. Is it like a replica dupe?
No, that
Like Jazz
definitely
Club.
not. This is. I don't smell cigarette in it
This is more fresh.
at all. This is very fresh. Replica is just very strong cigar.
Mm.
Very strong cigar. This.
I love.
I love Jazz Club. It
Even
was
I
my-
love.
one of my first.
The next day.
Tomorrow I'm going to Bangalore for an event, so I decided to get my hair blow dried because it's easier to travel with blow dried hair. Somehow my curly girl era seems to be ending because I just don't have the time to set them and make them look good every time. Or maybe you just need a lot of confidence to carry your hair curly, and right now I'm not feeling myself with my hair curly. So I've just blow dried it for travel tomorrow. I'm very sleep deprived, genuinely sleep deprived. I've come back home though. I have to shoot a video for a brand. I'm gonna do that and pack my bags for tomorrow. I have come home and this is the situation of my living room. Like the entire... Hello? Where are you? Chukulu? Chukulu? Chukulu, I heard your footsteps. I heard your footsteps. I heard. What are you all up to? Nice hair?
Later that same evening.
You guys, Mally went down to the same salon जिधर मैं hair wash blow dry कराती हूँ for a haircut.
And you were going to send me to that place. And the guy was telling him he went and showed him the reference. That idiot is telling him, I will show you one reference.
He showed me his own reference and then was
And
like,
then
what about a
and
fade?
then
And
he's
then I was
asking
like-
fade. And then highlights.
He was like,
Idiot.
highlights.
Show me your reference.
Never in a million
Let
years.
me
I'm
see if
going
I
there.
could have tried that. I will only cut your hair like I do. It's okay.
Never in a million years am I going to all these idiots.
This was your reference. This is just layers.
Like
Why?
long layers.
Yeah.
A mix of this
cut it
and
so
this.
much.
But this is proper. This is what you look like.
Do I
Yeah.
look like this?
Yeah,
No.
na? This reference he barabar did.
This is the sides
Like
are
this is so like
little
choppy
short,
and
yeah.
like
Yeah.
I wanted choppy and like layers, and he's given me like I look straight. I should just get a buzz cut at this point.
No, don't.
No, don't. Just let it grow out and I'll try my hand next time. I'll try.
I feel like you would do
Better,
easy,
yeah.
because
Yeah,
it
I
was
would
just-
have.
It just needed like a clean up.
Yeah, I didn't
And
know
this
what
is
kind of a
still
look
so-
you
What
want.
is this? This is still so.
Come,
long.
I'll clean it up actually. This is looking very funny.
He's
Come.
left it long here for what? Isn't this too long?
Yeah, it is. You look like Jason actually.
I should say that. This is so bad.
You are anyways going to mud because we are going tomorrow to Bangalore. What will you go in the morning? You will go then?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Whatever you want. Come, I'll cut your hair little peaches. Say, come, I'll shape it up. Aja, it's okay. Come, my baby.
She just wants to have some fun.
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. That behind looks like a dum. Bakre ka dum lag raha hai piche.
It's not looking that bad.
No, front I'm not touching. Back I'm doing. Back and sides. Near the ears. The ears are so choppy near the
For
ears.
the years, at least I wanted a little choppy.
But this
The
looks
back is
really
just
bad. Like Michael Jackson met I don't know what.
Michael Jackson had curly hair.
Oh
Hello.
my god, I should never even cut my hair in India. I just don't know what to do.
I told you. People don't. Men's hair is just people here. For them, men's haircut is just fade. Fade.
can do a fade. It's like, what about a fade?
You know, I don't think y'all know this, but I cut Reed's hair. We never vlog it, but he literally never lets anyone touch his hair. Only I cut his hair. And sometimes I'm like, just go. Like, I'm so tired at work and I'm like irritated. And I'm like, just go down to the salon and get a haircut.
This is why.
This is why he doesn't go.
Now you understand.
Like if like only my face is saving this. You know what I mean? Like if I was ugly, like please. Like literally my face is saving this haircut. I have such nice hair. Like I had such a cool haircut before. Like it was super cool.
I know, and already you're balding, and it's like emphasizing. Like I always ensure Reed's bald patches are not visible through his haircut.
At least I feel like my hair grows quick, so in 2 weeks it'll be much better.
Yeah. This beautiful haircut. That's why in Arunachal his hair was like this because he'll wait to come back and cut his hair. You come back because you need a haircut, no, not because you need me.
No.
No, it's the value-added benefit he gets.
My hair.
Haircut plus girlfriend.
When I initially on our dating days, my hair was very long. I almost sort of had an afro.
Yeah. Still, I fell in love with you. See.
Please, you love that about me. It's like I love your wild hair. Your hair has to be wild. She used to say
You know, she likes
say all this.
cavemen. She likes cavemen.
No, she loves.
It's not so bad.
If you do this, like, let it, like, yeah, this is still like. But honestly, the second reference, Mali, he did that. Because the first reference, only one you should have shown. Both were like confusing.
These guys get confused. That's why they charge $100 in New York for a haircut.
No, how much he took?
600.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, that's $6. I need to stop this.
You pay $100 for a haircut in New York?
Yeah.
That's why you're broke.
Without tip.
Without tip. That's why you didn't have any money coming back. You didn't have to cut
But
your
that's
hair
why
at
I
all.
didn't get a
You would have
haircut
grown this much also, we would have been okay with it.
Who's we?
We, all of us who look at you every day.
No, but I
Piche,
feel like
I'm not liking this. I'm okay with the front. I don't like this at all. Like,
Yeah.
as somebody who cuts men's hair,
it's like
I hate
I was
this.
like, this is so long, like, cause this is so short. Like, if this was longer, then this can be
Yeah.
long.
This is
but
like-
this can't
like
be
a
longer
goat.
than- I'm like, I'm not going for like any mullet or anything. So Sarah's gonna cut it.
I'll cut here.
Yeah.
I'll give it a shape here.
Just shape.
See,
So
see this much?
Yeah.
She clearly
Look there.
didn't understand the memo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this needs to go. Yeah,
Like,
I'll do it. Come,
Okay,
come.
easy.
This is what we use. Bombay Shaving Company.
And then he took like this golden string and he was like, can we put like few strips everywhere? And I was like, these men are crazy. Like, they think I'm some toy over here. And then they were like, they put one and I took it off. They like sent me out with one in my hair. I was like, they want to just play it because I think no one lets them do anything. So they want to use me as like their test subject. And then they were like, what about highlights? And things. I was just like, bro, guys, now you can book Sarah for haircuts.
Just don't talk. If I fuck this up, you will not come home. Just don't talk. You're already screwed. Let me start from here.
Don't go on the side of the ears.
Reet is having ice cream and enjoying this. Like he's standing here and enjoying this show. Honestly, I would have done a better job. You shouldn't have gone.
Can you take some volume out of here? Just volume. So it lays. But the length is good.
Length is
But
good, no? Now this is good.
this-
I'll clean this with the trimmer. The shape. Like this little bit cleaning up. The neck.
It's not required actually. I also don't need it.
You need it. This is so messy. What is this? I need
Just
to.
with this,
Hi, I
the
understood.
shearing or something, like with the shear scissors, just take the volume away.
I'll do that. The funniest is when Mally came home and hit me. He hit me. He pushed me into the wall. He's like, you recommended this, you.
No, because if I rang the bell. No, because if the first thing you did is laughed, and even I rang the bell and you just opened the door and laughed, and I was like, I knew I saw this coming. And they're probably like this is probably their entertainment downstairs, like, yeah.
Do you want this to be cut?
No.
You like this?
Yeah,
this is so
'cause-
shapeless.
No, but at least once it'll get long faster. Like the more I cut,
Now see the volume thing.
the more I'll have to do.
I don't
This is perfect. Yeah. That was like giving. I kept telling him also, but I kept telling him, and he just kept saying no. Like this is looking good, and I was like, bitch.
I have all the equipment I need. Have you seen Big Bang Theory?
No, but I know it.
So whenever I do the nape of the neck for Reet, I always remember the Penny and Sheldon scene where Penny cuts Sheldon's hair and then he laughs and it goes,
Oh my god, you should do. You should give him more. Like
who Reet?
like this. You should shave this.
जान आजा तुम्हारा गर्दन साफ कर दूं गर्दन साफ आजा जल्दी
You have to
जल्दी
go for pilgrimage.
जल्दी
This is fine, honestly.
I'm so hungry dinner
Yo guys, what's up? We're in Sarah Squad House and tonight we gonna get lit. That's how I'm gonna start talking.
The next morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज आज जाना है हमको बैंगलोर और रीत है मेरे साथ रीत इज कमिंग टू चिल विद हिज फ्रेंड शाश्वत एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव सौरभ ओवर देयर our dive instructor. He's there for also chilling. So you know him from Havelock के vlogs अगर आपने मेरे देखे हैं. So he's also going to be in Bangalore. So that's why Reet was like मुझे भी आना है. चलो मैं भी चलता हूँ. But आज सुबह काफी लेट हो गया. I did full face of makeup क्योंकि मेरा जो इवेंट है ना उसके लिए मैं थोड़ी लेट हूँ. मतलब मैं लैंड होंगी और मुझे सीधा उधर से इवेंट पे जाना है. तो मैं सोची पूरी तैयार होके निकलती हूँ. तो मेकअप वेकअप करके मैंने बैग में हमारे पास चेक इन लगेज नहीं है. 10:15 का बोर्डिंग है. जिस तरीके से हम जा रहे हैं विद द मुंबई की बारिश वाली ट्रैफिक वी विल रीच द एयरपोर्ट एट 10 o'clock. इट्स टर्मिनल 1 सो यूजुअली टर्मिनल 1 डजंट हैव भीड़ भाड़. यू कैन गेट थ्रू थिंग्स रियली क्विकली. वी वाज होपिंग वी आर लाइक नॉट लाइक वी विल बी रनिंग. रीत वी विल बी रनिंग राइट. आई नो नहीं करोगे ना भागोगे ना. रीत को आज
भागता ही रहता हूँ यहाँ से वहाँ.
उसको आज सुबह थोड़ा बुखार आ रहा है तो ही इज अ लिटिल डल क्योंकि कल रात को एसी मैंने बहुत तेज रखा था. तो मैंने ब्राउज नहीं किया गाइस. आई फॉरगॉट टू डू माय ब्राउज एंड आई हैव नॉट कैरीड एनी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज कल सुबह की फ्लाइट है वापसी में. तो मैं कहाँ मेकअप करूँगी आज. ये मेकअप मेरा पूरा दिन टिकेगा. दिस इज माय फुल प्रूफ बेस मेकअप. लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट टू सी लाइक अ रूटीन ऑफ दिस बिकॉज इट लुक्स सो गुड. लुक एट दैट लाइक जस्ट लुक एट दैट. आई वाज टेलिंग रीत के I'll do my wedding makeup with these products. Like that's how good it is. It's my full proof base formula. So I can do a video for you all if you all are interested on this. But अभी के लिए let's just make dua that we will reach on time enough. या तो फिर फ्लाइट डिलेड होनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी क्योंकि वैसे भी बारिश हो रही है तो आई थिंक उनको क्लियरेंस इतना जल्दी नहीं मिलेगा. क्योंकि बहुत बारिश की वजह से क्लाउडी हो रखा है आसमान। लोग के हाईवे तो पूरा जाम था, तो फिर अभी ड्राइवर अंकल ने ये लिया है नीचे का रास्ता, सर्विस रोड, जिसकी भी हालत बहुत ख़राब ही रहती है बॉम्बे में। लाइक सर्विस रोड में एक ही गाड़ी घुस सकती है, ऐसा हाल। Alright guys, we made it. अंदर घुसना है super easy when you have DG Yatra, so got in real quick without any queues. It's 9:50 and कितने बजे की फ्लाइट है? 10:15 का बोर्डिंग है, तो we're good. आधा घंटा है सिक्योरिटी वगैरह करने के लिए। बेस मेकअप किया था, क्या सर पूरा बेस मेकअप खराब हो रहा है सर।
खुद की नजर
यार मैं बोली अच्छा रीत सर्दी हो गई, मेरे को दे रहा है गला खराब।
A few moments later.
रीत rejected my makeup and was like जाके फिक्स करके ऐसे तो नहीं जा सकती इवेंट पे। He was just like go, you can't go like this.
If it was an influencer event, I wouldn't have said anything. It's a business event.
Even an influencer event, if I can't go with tear streaks on my face.
सबको लगेगा मैंने रुलाया।
तुम भी रुलाते ही हो।
तुम भी।
तुम दूर रह के रुलाते हो।
तुम दूर रह के पास रह के दोनों टाइम रुलाती।
जाओ तुम जाओ तुम्हारे शाश्वत के पास जाओ। बट आई फिक्स माई मेकअप। आई लकीली हैड द टू फेस का फिनिशिंग पाउडर, तो वो और थोड़ा मिल्क मेकअप का ब्लश लगा के अभी मेरे गालों पे अटेंशन जाएगा और मेरी आंसुओं पे नहीं। आई हैव रीच्ड बैंगलोर, वी हैव रीच्ड बैंगलोर। अभी जाना है कुछ पेट पूजा करके, रीत जाएगा होटल और मैं जाऊंगी इवेंट पे, फिर रात को मैं मिलूंगी फ्रेंड्स से। गाइज दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज ऑन द एयरपोर्ट रोड। मैंने ChatGPT को पूछ के ढूंढ के निकाला है। बेटर बी गुड। ऐसे इतनी सी गाड़ियाँ लगी है। रीत ने बोला अभी खा लेते इधर पहुंचे, तो इधर कोई दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को, बट ठीक है। Yeah, रात को we'll eat good food. I am hungry and my event is at 3 o'clock, but it is near the airport. It's at the Amazon office, so it's near the airport. And why to like go far when it's literally here? I don't want to enter the city. Once I enter Bangalore traffic, I'm screwed. खास था जो मैं पूरा पी गई, but I had to show you कि तड़का लगाया था उन्होंने प्रॉपर तेल का। It was so tasty and there was कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च also inside, जो अभी मेरे होठों को इतना जला रही है। अच्छी खासी तीखी छाछ थी। Reet is not a dahi fan. He's actually allergic to dahi, so he can't have chas or lassi. Kebab. Kharab. My chacha used to call me kebab when I was little, because I used to say आप बहुत खराब हो के लिए आप बहुत कबाब हो to people. I loved kebab since a little girl only. Yum 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 yum.
You have flown in from various cities and taken the time and the pain to be here with us. Very grateful for that. Very grateful to Amazon for having us here.
2 hours later.
This is such a nice event, and as an influencer I'm used to events, but as a business owner this was my first one as a founder in a room full of founders. So insightful at the Amazon office, discussing category growth. It was by the growth team, so super insightful. I'm so glad I took that flight and made it here. It was huge networking opportunity, really nice. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ होटल पे। हो गया मेरा यही काम के लिए मैं आई थी मुंबई से बैंगलोर, and absolutely worth it. Got to meet and connect with so many people, and Amazon as a platform does give me a lot of trust. So I got to meet so many people at Amazon, network with them, and like get to know how I can fix my issues of Amazon, not of life. That Amazon office is near the airport, and this hotel we booked is in MG Road because we wanted to be in the city to just eat good food, etc. But the drive from there to here has made me so nauseous. Like I want to like throw up because I was on the phone also throughout the drive. Our room number is 911, Reet said, which is so strange to have 911 as the room number. Oh my god! आ गया, काम नहीं है बस आ जाओ।
Reunion at Bangalore.
ये चॉकलेट ही खाने में बिजी है. अरे अरे चलो गाड़ी चलाओ, हमको बाहर ले जाओ बैंगलोर वालों. You guys, we are transported from Bangalore to Nepal. This is so beautiful, so pretty. Guys, we am Shashwat if you all are single. अरे अरे yes, शाश्वत को डेट करो. इंजीनियरिंग JP मॉर्गन पे काम करता है. मेरा यही सेल है.
A few inches later.
हम रोज अपने आप को बोल रहे हेल्दी खाएंगे,
जिम जाएंगे. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं डेजर्ट हट पे.
हमारा खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब हम इतना खा चुके हैं अभी और हम डिजर्ट भी खाने आए हैं. गाइज डू नॉट फॉलो दिस. मेरे पैर नहीं उठ रहे स्क्वाट और डेडलिफ्ट से, बट मैं मैग्नोलिया बेकरी में खाने आई हूँ. गाइस बंद हो रहा है और ये कितना अच्छा है. मैग्नोलिया का त्रेलेचे मेरे को नहीं मानता इतना अच्छा है. भाग के जाए एक और लेके आ. हम लोग ने एक और लिया वेज वर्जन क्योंकि शाश्वत वेजिटेरियन है. एगलेस ये बहुत अच्छा है. आइसक्रीम का डोले दिखा रहा है. कैसा लगा?
गेंस आ रहे इसके.
अच्छा गेंद आ रहे हैं इससे. शाश्वत बोला कि ओह क्या है भाई. ये लड़के लोग 2 बार जिम क्या जाते हैं. I'm genuinely not even kidding. I need to go back to healthy eating. Okay, like अब बहुत हुई है.
हाँ अभी कॉर्नर हाउस जा रहे हैं.
अब कॉर्नर हाउस नहीं, कॉर्नर में लेके मारूंगी मैं. देखो अभी अगर डिजर्ट मतलब ट्रेले से खाया नहीं जा रहा, ने मेरे को खिलाया है. खुद बोलता खुद एक खा रहा है, बोलता ये भी खा, खत्म कर. वेस्ट मत कर.
खाना वेस्ट नहीं करते.
मैं भी नहीं वेस्ट करती. तो तेरे भरोसे खरीदा था हमने. तुझे कौन बोला था 2 खरीद के लाने के लिए एक्स्ट्रा. Anyway guys, it's getting out of hand.
मिलेगा ही नहीं.
ये रीत ने मेरे लिए फूल खरीदा है रस्ते से. ये लोग इतने चाव से खा रहे थे. ओके मैं कोरिया गई, फिर दुबई गई, फिर रीत आया. ऐसा लग रहा है हॉलिडे खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है. हम बहुत दबा रहे हैं. माई बॉडी इज इन हॉलिडे मोड इंटेंस. इट्स वर्किंग आउट बट इट्स दबाविंग. वी नीड टू गेट ऑन अ क्लेंज आफ्टर दिस. बस इसके बाद मैं आई नहीं हूँ हैव व्लॉग. अब तो गया. अब मैं पतली होके आऊंगी.
अरे यार हैव व्लॉग में और खा लेंगे कोई टेंशन.
चल हट, मैं आऊंगी ही नहीं जब तक मेरा फैट लॉस नहीं होगा.
The next day.
Barish plus Bombay runway traffic. We don't just have road traffic, we have runway traffic. So the landing was delayed by 50 minutes. We were up in the air for 50 minutes, just waiting to get parking. Regular Bombay things. Landed 15 minutes later. It's 2 o'clock now. I'm thinking if I should go to office or I should go home because it's raining cats and dogs also. The weather is really pleasant but काफी cloudy था ऊपर. There was no turbulence but yeah, parking नहीं मिल रही थी. Holding Jakharia's bag because he's still inside. I think I'll go towards the baggage claim क्योंकि मेरा बैग उन लोग ने check-in में ले लिया. और I'll just wait for him. Papa has come to pick us up.
Always.
Yes.
Papa idea service.
Yes, best. Should I go to office or should I come home?
You have work.
I have work. Anjana रुकी है मेरे लिए.
What work? Then and then.
It's raining so much, but the weather is so nice. I love monsoon in Bombay. अरे हम लोग 50 minutes ऊपर ही थे. गोल गोल. Delayed नहीं थी. Take off हुआ time पे. Parking.
Umbrella, you don't get wet. It's okay.
My bag also can't get wet. Shut the zip. Electronics से रुक जाओ. ये वाली zip बंद करो.